You punch someone, but are you guilty of a crime? Not always, because in the Philippine law, a criminal act alone isn't enough. Under Article 3, felonies are committed by means of dolo, malice, or culpa, negligence. An intentional felony needs two elements, criminal act and criminal intent. The criminal act is the verb in the law. In homicide, shall kill. In theft, shall take. Criminal intent has two layers, specific intent like intent to kill or intent to gain, and general intent which is dolo or malice. Both must concur. Underlying everything is voluntariness, freedom and intelligence. Kahit malong prohibitong, kung walang freedom at intelligence, walang crime. In US versus Achong, the accused killed a man he believed was a robber. He had intent to kill, but no malice. The Supreme Court acquitted him and criminal act nandoon. Pero ang criminal mind, wala. Actus non facit reum, nisi mincit re. No crime without a guilty mind. Felony always requires both criminal act and criminal mind. That's part 1 of our felonies series. Next, the two views on culpa. Subscribe, like, and share for law's sake for part 2.